Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a 3D cube animations for your clips in CapCut. So here you just need to import the clip and click on the clip, go to animation, combo, then find the cube animation, the 3D cube. Okay. There are lots of options of 3D cubes. You can just choose which one. I'm going to go with the cube 5. Click on the check icon. So it will become like this. Now go to canvas. Click on color. And then change the background of the clip to green. Like this. Click on the check icon. Then export the clip. Okay, now open a new project and add the video that you just saved and also the another video you want as the background. Okay, set the cube video as overlay. Click on it and click on overlay. Now go to cutout to remove the green screen. Use the chroma key like this. Okay, so now you are done and this will be the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe, click on the thanks, leave a comment, and also click on the thumbs up icon. Bye.